Sorry I haven't been uploading. It's freaking raining. Raining for days.
No! God, please, no!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
So I'm going to one parking lot that I can ride at, but before that I'm in my school clothes, so let's get out of this. So I got ready, so let's go to the place that we're gonna ride.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I didn't want my shoes to get wet, so I came with flip-flops. So let's change. Nice. So let's get the session. It's fakey, man. Go, Kai. You can do it. Turn, Kai. Get that downside whip. So we are out. So I'll see you home and watch to the end. There's gonna be some nice clips. Let's go. So guys, I'm back. My elbow hurts like damn. So here are today's clips. It just looks like I just went there and did nothing. I was trying the 180 whip for the whole time. Here it is.
I dreamed it all ever since I was young. They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.